everyone, this is Neelam Sharma. Welcome back to Code Tech Hub, your IT center. In my previous video, I have explained about the relational operators and other operators also. So the links are given below in the description box. Please check out. Today you will see the use of logical operators. In last video, I have explained about the relational operators. We can apply relational operators only two conditions. One condition is true and the second condition is false. But whenever we have a multiple conditions, we have to choose any one options from the multiple conditions or multiple options, so you can use logical operators. Logical operators, while relational operators can be used to test whether a particular condition is true or false, they can only test one condition at a time. Often we need to know whether multiple conditions are true or simultaneously. We use logical operators to check whether an expression is true or false. If the expression is true, it returns 1, where if the expression is false, it returns 0. That means, जब आपका expression true होगा, that will return a 1. And whenever your expression will be false, so it will return 0. To clear the concept of logical operators, let's see the table. In the logical operators, these symbols are used: N, L and explanation mark. First is the expression 1 and expression 2. And the meaning of this operator is AND, logical AND. We can say that AND. True only if all the operands are true. And the second expression is OR. It is the symbol of OR condition. If true, if at least one of the operand is true. And this mark is showing the logical NOT condition. True only if the operand is false. Whenever the AND condition will work when true if all the operands are true, means सारे operands जब true होंगे तब AND operator work करेगा. And when the OR operator will work, true if at least one of the operand is true. One of the operator is true, so that time the logical OR will work. And logical NOT, true only if the operand is false. Okay. So I will clear all the concept of AND, OR and NOT logical operators. So stay connected and let's do practice. Here I am going to explain logical operators with AND example, with OR example and with NOT example. First, look at in the fifth line, int main function. From here our main function is start. Int a equals to 5. That means a's value is 5 and b's value is 9. a की वैल्यू 5 असाइंड है और b की वैल्यू 9 असाइंड है. Now in the cout, a equals to 0 and a is greater than b. Here the first condition is a is equals to 0 and the second condition is a is greater than b. That means first condition is also false because a 0 के equal नहीं है and a is not greater than b और a greater than b के greater than b नहीं है. That means here false and false equals to false. So we will get the result as a false condition. In the 13th line, you can see the another condition, a is equals to 0. So the condition is already false because a equals to 5 है यहाँ पर और यहाँ हम बोल रहे हैं कि a is equals to 0. Another condition, a is less than b. Yes, a less than b, ये condition true है. So whenever the one condition is false and the other condition is true, so result will be false because we are using here AND operator. Next, A equals to 5. Yes, it is a true condition because A equals to 5. A is greater than B. No, because A is less than B. So here one condition is true and another condition is false. The result will be false. Whenever the result will be completely true, the result will be completely true when the first condition is true and the second condition will be true. A equals to 5, yes, A equals to 5, and A is less than B, yes, A is less than B. So both conditions are true here. So whenever the both conditions are true, so result will be true. Return 0 will return a 0 value. Let's check out the output. Click on execute and compile. There is 0 error and 0 warning. The first condition is false, so it's showing 0. Second is false, so 0. Third is false, so 0. And fourth is true, so it's showing 1. I hope you got all the information of AND operators. Now let's see the use of OR operator. OR operator works when the condition applied. Int main function, int A equals to 5 and B equals to 9. We can change the value also. I am changing here value. Look at here. A equals to 4 and B equals to 10. Yeah, A's value is 4 and B's value is 10. Now the statement or condition is that A equals to 0. No, because it's a false condition. A equals to 4 here. A is greater than B. This condition is also false. So you can say the condition is false because A is less than B. So you can say false and false will be the false. Here A equals to 0. No, the condition is false. A is less than B. Yes, A is less than B. So there is a one condition is false and the second condition is true. So the result will be true. Again, A equals to 5. No. Let me change the value. A equals to 4. Yes, it is a true condition. A greater than B. Yes, it is a false condition. Again, A equals to 4. Yes, it is a true condition. And A is greater than B. Yes, it is a false condition. The result will be true. Look at here. There is a one condition is false and the second condition is true. The result will be true. And here the one condition is true and the another condition is false. The result will be true. Means दो कंडीशन में से अगर एक कंडीशन भी ट्रू रहती है सो रिजल्ट विल बी ट्रू. हियर ट्रू कंडीशन एंड ट्रू कंडीशन इक्वल्स टू ट्रू कंडीशन मीन्स जब दो कंडीशंस ट्रू होगी सो ऑलरेडी उसका रिजल्ट ट्रू ही होगा. A equals to 4. Yes, A equals to 4. A less than B. Yes, A is less than B. So both conditions are true. So we can say that the condition is true. To clear the concept of this program, let's click on execute and compile. The error is 0 and warning is 0. Now execute and run. Here you can see all the results. 0, 1, 1, 1. That means 0 is false, 1 for true, 1 for true and 1 for true. In OR operator you can see false and true. Means यहाँ पर एक condition true है, so result will be true. So that is the difference of AND operator and OR operator. Let's see the use of logical NOT operator. In logical NOT operator, there is a variable and the value of A is 5. Means 5 की value, the A's value is 5 assigned. Now, in the C out, there is a condition and we have to read this condition with NOT operator. How can you read this statement? A is not equal to 0 because ये साइन जो है नोट का साइन है, तो हमको कोई भी स्टेटमेंट भी नोट के साथ पढ़ना होगा. तो A is not equals to 0. Yes, it is a true condition. And A is not equals to 5. A is not equals to 5. So the statement is false. Here condition A is equals to 5. But with the help of NOT operator, the statement is saying that A is not equals to 5. So this is the false condition. Now let's see the result. Click on execute and run. Here you can see the result. True for 1, false for 0. Means you can write a statement with NOT operator also. In this video, I have explained about the logical operators. In logical operators, I have explained AND operators, OR operators and NOT operators. I hope you got all the information of logical operators. Thank you for